welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm sharing with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now yesterday, you guys know I went to Walmart and all of a sudden Ben's with me. Ben's with me every time I go to Walmart. We have to go down all the toy aisles. Well, they're all preparing right now. Target and Walmart are preparing for new toys for the holidays, for Christmas. So if you guys have a toy list that you know it's going to be hot, get your guys' toys now. You can always return it later on if you guys need to. But they have a lot of stuff on clearance, and I've been kind of keeping an eye on a lot of this stuff. I've been getting some stuff for Ben, and I like getting stuff for presents for the future. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart on clearance. Some of the stuff was super awesome, but the one thing I found was this Track Master. Now Ben has a couple of these. I've gotten some of this stuff on clearance before at Walmart, Walmart. So this was like, I think originally like 14 something, and they had this on clearance for $4. I thought that's pretty cool. I mean, this thing alone right here, this is like a train. This thing right here is like $5-6 if you just bought that alone. So it comes with it comes with a couple of tracks actually. I think, yeah, it comes with like 8 circle tracks and then 1 straight track and then a different type of straight track. So it gives you a little bit of a track, but we have these tracks. So $4, I think that is a great deal. So Benjamin is going to get this for his birthday. It's coming up in a couple weeks. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. He's being silly upstairs. I ended up getting this sensory shapes. Now I thought this was super cute. It is the Walmart brand, but they have like a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, and then like some kind of like diamond piece or a spear shape. These were just $1.50 on clearance. I thought that was a great deal. I thought I have plenty of friends who will be getting pregnant soon, or yeah, getting pregnant soon, but not me, you know, not me. But I thought these are super cute. So they had 2 of these, so I ended up getting both of them because I thought this would be a great little gift to give to people. And I'm always looking for gifts ahead of time. I'm a person who likes to give a bunch of things to people. Now this is what I was super excited for. These are like the Walmart brand Lincoln Logs. I don't know how good of a quality they are, but I am not complaining. There is 100 pieces in here. They have 98 of the logs, a door, and a rooftop. These were on clearance for $1. I think these were originally $7.88. I did take a picture of a couple things, but I'm not going to enter them in the thing because everybody's store is different. But $1. I was so excited for this. This was a great rainy day winter project that I can work on with Ben. And they had 3 of those, and I'm like, I'm not passing up $1, you guys. So I ended up getting all 3 of them. And the cashier's like, whoa, you got some good deals. And I'm like, yeah, I got all this stuff for $20. Everything I'm showing you guys, I got for $20. So, again, $3 for all this stuff, which I was super excited for. That's a great little rainy day project that I can work on with Ben. Sorry, I got my other stuff I got here. And then here is another one of those sensory things. And these are for 18 months and up. So it's a little bit different. Like somebody took one of these out of the boxes, or the box just got moved around. So definitely super excited about that. I ended up getting these. Now these are going to be little gifts that I'm giving to all the kids that are at Ben's birthday party. I've been eyeing these up like crazy. These were actually $1 was the normal price, and they had these all on clearance for 10 cents. These are bubble ones. You can't go wrong with bubble ones. Now, you guys' store should have these. Hopefully, they're the same price, but I got a ton of them. I mean, for 10 cents, I thought these are great little gifts for kids to get. I mean, summer's not over yet. I ended up getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got 12 of them. There's not even, I think there's going to be a little less than that for kids, but that's okay, you know. So I had to definitely get those for 10 cents a piece. That is a great deal. And then I went crazy over some other stuff. Now, I'm just dropping stuff left and right. I ended up finding these jump ropes. Now, I don't know the regular price for these, but they had these on clearance for 10 cents. They're not the greatest quality. I mean, they're very light. They're probably not even a heavy jump rope, but I thought, you know what, that's kind of cool. And, you know, if I could jump rope for these. I don't got anything else in my bag. No. So I'm like, for 10 cents, these would be a great thing to use. And if I have to give some for a gift, I can always get them for a gift. So I think when I go back, I might even get more if they still have them. But 10 cents a piece is a great deal. Then I went crazy over blind bags and all that stuff. There's like a whole big bag of stuff right here. Now Ben found these. He wanted to make popsicles. Now these were originally 96 cents and they had these for 10 cents. I thought that was super cute. You know, there's 8 of them. It's not the greatest quality, but you know what? I'm not complaining for 10 cents. You know, you can find quarters on the floor all the time. So got those to work with, little juice, you know, put some juice in there and freeze it up for them. And then they ended up having these water balloons on sale. Now, they had a 500 pack for $1. $1, which was awesome. It came in like a little container. But this is a 100 pack, and this was 10 cents. So it was cheaper buying 5 of these for 50 cents than buying that container for $1. I liked the colors that they had for the container, but you know, I'm like, whatever. I'm not complaining. I don't even know how much I got. I just grabbed a bunch of them. These are not going to be for his party, but these are going to be just for us. I think I grabbed 5 of them. So 5 of them. So when Ben gets a little bit older, we can all have water balloon fights around the house. They had a lot of clothes on clearance, and I thought, I'm going to start finding some shirts for Ben. So I got these. These were on clearance for $3. So I got him big enough so he can wear them next summer. My kid's a little bit on the husky side, but can't go wrong with $3 shirts. And then I went crazy over these, and I think I'm going to give these to the kids also for Ben's birthday party. But they got these things called Flip-A-Zoo. Basically, and I've seen these at Target. Target wants $4.99 for these. I've seen these at Walmart for $1, but now they were on clearance for 25 cents. What it is, it's like a little animal that you can flip and then it flips to something else. I thought these are cute little blind bags to give to the kids, or if Ben wants them, but he kind of just takes them apart. So I think I'm going to give them to the kids for the birthday party. I'm going to try to like shove them in the eggs if I can, because we're doing an Easter egg hunt. So definitely going to try to do those. So I got 4 of them, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 of them, so super excited for those. You know, the kids are gonna love it. I got so much stuff for those eggs, and I barely even paid anything for them. So yes, that was my Walmart haul. It wasn't much, but I was pretty excited to show you guys all the clearance stuff. Definitely check your store. My store had a ton of other items that I wanted to get, but I'm just like, no, we don't need it. We don't need it. But definitely check your guys' store, because that stuff will sell up quick, and I will be probably doing more clearance hauls at Walmart. I might even do more at Target, because right now it's just the end of the season, and I like to shop ahead for parties and birthday parties and all that stuff. So yes, please give this video a thumbs up so you guys can enjoy, or so I know you guys enjoy these kind of videos, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.